Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. After a long time, we have got a major revamp in the Google Dialer. Almost every OnePlus smartphone do have Google Dialer. And today, I'll show you guys what all changes this latest Google Dialer have got. And finally, you can also say goodbye to that announcement which used to happen while recording the call. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have two phones on the table. Towards the left hand side, I have Note 4 and towards the right hand side, I have OnePlus 13. On OnePlus 13, I've already updated the latest build of Google Dialer. Let me show you the app version. So here if you go to the app version, previous version was version 173 and this latest version is 185, which has a lot of UI changes. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you guys how you guys can get it on your device. So first let's talk about the changes. So I'll open the dialer at the same time. So here you can see, soon you open the dialer, you'll see better organization on this latest update. Previously towards the bottom side, we had the favorite contacts, but now the favorite contacts have been moved towards the top side and are in horizontal manner. So you can slide towards the left hand side to access all the favorite contacts, which wasn't the case previously. Previously, the favorite contacts used to take a lot of space with this big icon, and you can see half of the screen is almost covered with just 6 favorite contacts. But now all the 6 favorite contacts which are on my device takes up very less space. And even if I want, I can hide the favorite contacts to have access only of recents call. Now bottom side we only have two options, one is recents and the second one is contact. Also to add a favorite contact, you just have to slide towards the left hand side and at the end you'll find the option to add a favorite contact. On the previous build we had the text towards the right top side, and on the previous build if you see, favorites font was quite small, but now both favorite recents text size have been increased. And going to the contact section, you can see on the top side previously we used to see create new contact, but now this new contact have got a pill around it, which wasn't the case previously. Now all the contacts doesn't show up the starting letter of the contact. Now we just have the contact icon. That's it. And whenever you open the dial pad, we can only see 2 to 3 suggested contact. Previously, we could at least see 4 contacts. All the contacts have a different section, which wasn't the case previously. Previously, we had a plain background with no separation. And the same way if you go to settings, in the settings also you can see now every setting have been properly categorized. In the caller ID and spam, you can find this option called filter spam calls. So the device will automatically filter spam calls so it doesn't disturb you. You can enable that thing over here. And for the call recording, as I mentioned to you guys, now call recording can be done without that announcement of call recording. So instead of that, you can use this feature called play audio tone instead of disclaimer. So basically here there'll be a beep sound, which is a lot better than the call announcement which used to happen whenever we used to start recording the call. So that's a big relief with this latest Google Dialer. And there's this new option called incoming call gesture. So here we have two options. One is horizontal swipe, and let me show you how does it look. So this is how it will look. You can slide towards the right hand side to answer the call, slide towards the left hand side to decline the call. And if you select single tap, this is how it will look if you have enabled this single tap option. Towards the right hand side you have the option to answer the call, towards the left hand side you have the option to decline. With the single tap you can decline or answer the call. Other than these, there are no changes in the settings page. Now let's talk about the UI. So first of all, let me show you the incoming UI whenever you get any call. So there are no changes done in the pop-up view whenever you get a call while using the device, but in the full screen mode you can see this is how it will appear. Tapping on it, you can also see all the icons like speaker, mute, dial pad have been increased along with the disconnect icon, which previously was in circular shape. Tapping on more, this is how the options appear like add call, video call, record and even hold. Previously this is how it used to appear. I personally like the newer one. And talking about the recording also, let me turn on the speaker and then tap on start recording. You'll be able to hear that beep sound. On the previous build, whenever we used to tap on recording, this is how it used to do an announcement.
This call is now being recorded. Call recording has now ended.
But that's not the case over here. You'll only hear that beep sound whenever you start recording or stop the recording. This is that sound. So most users won't even know that you have recorded the call. And you can see whenever you start recording, towards the right hand side, we get the option to stop. Previously, we had to tap on the icon itself to start or even stop. It would have been great if they would have given the option to, have the full screen caller ID. And this is how the profile picture appears on this latest build. And the shape is something squircle. Previously, we had a proper circular shape and the circle was slightly bigger in size. And also if you see, message text also got a pill shape now. So these are the UI changes what they have done on this latest build of Google Dialer. Now let's talk about how you guys can get this on your device. So what you can do, simplest way is just go to Play Store, search for Google Phone and here scroll down and you'll see an option to enroll into beta program. Just enroll into beta program and later on you will see an update. Wait for some time. If you don't see the update option, within few minutes you should receive it. And if you guys still don't receive it, I'll provide the direct APK of the latest build in the description below. You just install that application and you'll have the new UI on your OnePlus smartphone. And it's not only on OnePlus, you can install it on any device. So guys, this was all about the latest Google Dialer update. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.